Once upon a time, in a kingdom bathed in golden sunlight, lived Princess Tatiana. She loved bright things, sunshine, sunflowers, and most of all, her beautiful, flowing yellow gown, which shimmered like 1,000 tiny sunbeams when she twirled. Tatiana was cheerful and kind, but she had one tiny habit that could sometimes cause big trouble. She sometimes told little fibs. One morning, the royal jeweler, Master Gem, rushed into the castle, his face as pale as fresh snow. "Your Majesty," he cried to the king and queen, "the royal sparkle stone is gone." The royal sparkle stone was a magnificent gem, famous for making the castle gardens glow with tiny, dancing lights every evening. Everyone was worried. "Has anyone seen it?" asked the king. Princess Tatiana loved playing near the sparkle stone. Just yesterday, she had been playing a new game, pretending to be a mischievous sprite, and had accidentally kicked a small, smooth pebble that bumped the sparkle stone, making it roll under a thick rosebush. She had meant to get it, but then a butterfly fluttered by, and she forgot. Now, her tummy felt like a swarm of bees. If she told the truth, she might get into trouble for being careless. So, when her father asked, "Tatiana, have you seen the sparkle stone?" she looked down at her sparkly yellow gown and mumbled, "No, Papa. I haven't seen it anywhere." Soon, whispers began to ripple through the castle. Princess Tatiana said she didn't see the sparkle stone, people murmured. "But she's always playing in the garden." The king and queen, though they loved Tatiana dearly, began to look at her with worried expressions. They trusted her, but why did Master Gem look so distressed if the stone wasn't truly lost? Later that day, the royal gardener, an old squirrel named Squeaky, who was very good at finding lost nuts, came to the king. "Your Majesty," Squeaky chattered, "I noticed the ground near the rose bush looks disturbed, as if something rolled there." The king and Master Gem went to the rose bush. Hidden deep beneath its thorny branches, there it was. The royal sparkle stone, glowing faintly. When they showed Tatiana the retrieved stone, her cheeks turned as red as ripe strawberries. "Oh," she gasped, her light catching in her throat. The king sighed. "Tatiana, the sparkle stone is safe, which makes us happy. But you told us you hadn't seen it." Tatiana burst into tears. "I was afraid. I accidentally kicked it under the bush, and I didn't want to get in trouble." "We understand being afraid, my dear," Mama Queen said gently. "But when you told us you hadn't seen it, it made us wonder if we could trust what you said. People began to think you weren't honest. Honesty is like an egg once broken, it is extremely difficult to put together." Please subscribe. Bye.